I was quoted $4,200 for privacy fencing in my backyard. $4,000. Just to feel comfortable in my own outdoor space without my neighbors watching my every move. That's when I decided to get creative with Dollar Tree fines. And what happened next blew my mind. For less than $50 total, I created stunning privacy screens that not only look like they came from an expensive garden center, but actually make my backyard more beautiful than any basic fence ever could. My neighbors have been asking for my contractor's contact information. They have no idea I did this entire transformation with Dollar Tree supplies. Hey garden lovers, welcome back to Daily Garden Fix. I'm your host, and today I'm sharing the exact Dollar Tree hacks that completely transformed my exposed backyard into a private paradise. I've discovered 10 incredible Dollar Tree privacy solutions that will save you thousands while creating stunning results. And stick around until the end, because hack number 10 creates instant privacy for just $8 and can be installed in under 30 minutes. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I'm constantly sharing budget-friendly garden hacks that actually work. Hack 1. Bamboo placemat panels, the $8 fence section. Starting with hack number 1, bamboo placemats. And this is the game changer that started my entire privacy transformation. These innocent $1.25 placemats become gorgeous fence panels that look like they cost $50 each at garden centers. I zip tie these bamboo mats to existing chain link fencing, deck railings, or simple wooden frames to create instant natural-looking privacy screens. The secret is overlapping them slightly for complete coverage and using outdoor zip ties that blend with the bamboo. For areas without existing structure, I create simple frames using 1x2 lumber. The total cost per 4-foot section? Under $8, compared to $50 to $100 for similar bamboo fencing panels from garden centers. A landscape contractor who saw my installation told me he charges $200 per panel for the exact same look. These weather beautifully, developing a silvery patina that looks even more expensive over time. I've had mine up for 2 years, and they still look fantastic, while providing complete privacy from my neighbor's second-story windows. Hack 2. Shower curtain walls, the instant privacy. Hack number 2 will blow your mind. Outdoor shower curtains. Dollar Tree carries heavy-duty shower curtains that work perfectly as privacy screens. The genius is in the grommets. They're already designed to hang easily from rods, hooks, or cables. I string aircraft cable between posts and hang these curtains to create instant privacy walls that can be adjusted or removed as needed. I choose earth tones that blend naturally with garden settings, and here's the professional secret. Double them up for complete opacity and wind resistance. 2 $1.25 curtains hung together create a privacy panel that rivals $30 outdoor fabric panels. For windy areas, I add grommets at the bottom and stake them down, or weight the bottom hem with chain for natural draping that moves beautifully in breezes. The flexibility is incredible. Create doorway openings, adjust height as plants grow, or completely reconfigure your privacy layout whenever your needs change. Hack 3. Lattice living walls, the growing privacy. Number 3 is my favorite. Turning Dollar Tree's plastic lattice panels into gorgeous living privacy walls. These $1.25 panels become the foundation for vertical gardens that provide privacy while adding incredible beauty. I zip tie multiple panels together to create larger surfaces, then train fast-growing vines to completely cover them within one growing season. Annual vines like morning glories give quick coverage, while perennial clematis provides long-term structure. For instant impact while vines establish, I weave artificial ivy through the lattice. It sounds tacky, but high-quality artificial foliage mixed with real plants creates full coverage immediately. The genius is that these living walls get more beautiful every year as perennial vines mature and thicken. After 3 years, my lattice panels are completely hidden under gorgeous flowering vines that provide privacy, beauty, and habitat for butterflies. Within 8 weeks, you have walls of flowers instead of boring fencing, and the total cost is under $15 per 8-foot section. Hack 4. Mirror magic screens, the illusion makers. Hack number 4 creates privacy through illusion using Dollar Tree mirrors. Instead of blocking views, this technique confuses sightlines while making your space feel larger and more mysterious. I mount multiple mirrors on simple wooden frames to create reflective screens that bounce light and garden views in unexpected directions. Neighbors can't see through mirrors, but I get the benefit of reflected garden beauty. The key is angling mirrors to reflect my best garden features rather than neighboring properties. I position them to catch sky, trees, or beautiful plantings, essentially doubling my garden's visual impact. Weather-resistant acrylic mirrors work better than glass for outdoor use, and they're lighter and safer during installation. I cluster different-sized mirrors on frames for screens that are functional art. The reflected light brightens shaded areas, while the mirrors themselves become garden sculpture that happens to provide privacy. Total cost per 4-foot screen, about $18. Hack 5. Fabric frame panels, the custom solution. Number 5 combines Dollar Tree outdoor fabric with simple wooden frames to create custom privacy panels that look professionally designed. This gives me complete control over color, pattern, and size. I build wooden frames from 1x2 lumber in any size I need, then stretch Dollar Tree outdoor fabric, canvas, or heavy-duty tablecloths across the frames and staple them securely. The fabric choices at Dollar Tree are incredible, from neutral canvas to bold patterns that complement any outdoor decor style. I mix solid colors with subtle patterns to create visual interest without overwhelming the space. For extra durability, I treat fabric with outdoor fabric protector spray. This simple step extends life significantly and prevents fading from UV exposure. These panels work beautifully as temporary screens for entertaining, permanent installations between posts, or even movable privacy walls on wheels for ultimate flexibility. Total cost per panel, about $12. Hack 6. Reed mat transformation, the cottage garden look. Hack number 6 uses Dollar Tree's natural reed placemats the same way as bamboo, but with a completely different aesthetic. Reed fencing creates a softer, more cottage garden feel. The installation technique is identical to bamboo mats, but reeds provide different visual texture and privacy levels. They're more open than bamboo, making them perfect for areas where I want privacy without completely blocking airflow. I love using reed panels for creating partial privacy, screening seating areas from main pathways while maintaining open, airy feelings. They're perfect for defining spaces without creating fortress-like barriers. I layer reed panels with climbing plants for the ultimate natural privacy screen. The reeds provide immediate coverage while plants establish, then blend beautifully as greenery fills in. The warm, golden color complements both rustic and modern garden styles, and like bamboo, it weathers to an attractive silvery tone that looks more expensive over time. Hack 7. Tension rod systems, the NO hardware solution. Number 7 turns existing gazebos, pergolas, or simple post structures into private outdoor rooms using Dollar Tree curtain rods and panels. I use adjustable tension rods that require no hardware installation. They pressure fit between posts or inside gazebo frames, allowing me to add and remove privacy panels without permanent modifications. I hang outdoor shower curtains, fabric panels, or lightweight tarps from these rods to create walls that can be opened for breezes or closed for privacy. It's like having an outdoor room with adjustable walls. For larger openings, I connect multiple tension rods end to end, or use cable and clips for spanning longer distances. The key is creating smooth, professional-looking installations that don't look obviously DIY. This technique works beautifully for covered patios, deck overhangs, or anywhere I have overhead structure but need wall privacy. In winter, I remove everything for open airflow, then reinstall for summer privacy. Hack 8. Room divider screens, the portable privacy. Hack number 8 repurposes Dollar Tree's decorative room divider screens for outdoor privacy. These folding screens are perfect for creating instant privacy anywhere I need it. The beauty is in their portability and adjustability. I set them up for privacy during entertaining, then fold and store them when I want open space. They're perfect for renters who can't install permanent privacy solutions. I weather treat these screens with outdoor spray paint or sealers to extend their life in outdoor conditions. A light coat of outdoor polyurethane makes them practically weatherproof. I connect multiple screens together for longer privacy runs, or use single panels to create intimate conversation areas within larger spaces. They work like outdoor furniture that happens to provide privacy. The decorative patterns on many room dividers are actually quite beautiful and add artistic elements to outdoor spaces while serving practical privacy functions. Hack 9. Planter combo walls, the mobile gardens. Number 9 combines Dollar Tree planters with lattice panels to create privacy walls that are functional, beautiful, and completely self-contained. These mobile privacy gardens can go anywhere I need screening. I mount lattice panels to the backs of large planters using simple brackets. Then I fill planters with fast-growing plants like bamboo, ornamental grasses, or tall flowers for instant height and density. The combination of structural lattice and living plants creates full privacy coverage immediately, while getting better every year as plants mature. It's like having instant hedge that also provides trellis support. These units are heavy enough to be stable, but light enough to move seasonally. I create summer privacy configurations, then rearrange for winter or changing needs. I use wheeled plant caddies underneath larger versions to make them truly mobile privacy walls that can be repositioned for parties, seasonal sun changes, or just when I want a fresh layout. Hack 10. Instant cable system, the 30-minute miracle. Our final hack is the ultimate quick fix. Tension cable systems using Dollar Tree supplies that create instant privacy screens anywhere, anytime. This $8 solution can be installed in under 30 minutes. I use aircraft cable or strong rope strung between any 2 anchor points, trees, posts, even large planters. Then I clip shower curtains, fabric panels, or outdoor tablecloths to the cable using Dollar Tree shower curtain rings. The beauty is the complete flexibility. I can adjust height, length, and position instantly. Perfect for creating privacy for outdoor showers, hot tubs, or anywhere I need temporary screening. 4 permanent installations. This system lets me change privacy panels seasonally. Summer florals, fall colors, winter neutrals. I can completely transform my privacy screens with different fabric choices. The tension system handles wind better than rigid panels because it moves and flexes naturally. I add weights to bottom hems for ultimate stability in any weather. Now let me share the secrets that make these Dollar Tree hacks look expensive instead of obviously budget-friendly. First, color coordination is everything. I choose colors that complement my home's exterior and existing outdoor furniture. Neutral earth tones always work, but bold accent colors can be stunning if they fit my style. Hardware consistency makes a huge difference. I use the same hardware throughout. All black zip ties, all stainless steel cables, all matching brackets. Mismatched hardware screams DIY project, while consistent hardware looks intentional. I always incorporate living plants with structural screens. Even a few potted plants in front of artificial screens makes everything look more natural and intentional. Adding lighting transforms privacy screens from barriers into garden features. Solar lights, string lights, or landscape lighting make screens beautiful at night while providing functionality. Most importantly, I treat all Dollar Tree materials with appropriate outdoor finishes. UV protectors for fabric, weather sealers for wood frames, and rust preventers for metal hardware. Let me break down the real costs versus professional alternatives to show you the incredible savings. My complete 50-foot privacy installation cost breakdown. 40 bamboo placemats, $50. Hardware and zip ties, $15. A wooden frame materials, $35. Total cost, $100. The professional quote for the same coverage was $4,200. That's a savings of over $4,000. Individual project costs. Bamboo panel screen, 4 feet, $8. Shower curtain privacy wall, $6. A lattice living wall, $12. Mirror screen, $18. Fabric panel, $10. Compare these to garden center prices of $45 to $80 for bamboo panels, $150 to $300 for privacy screens, and $200 to $500 per foot for professional installation. You're saving 80 to 90% while often getting better results because you can customize everything to your exact needs and preferences. These $10 tree privacy hacks prove that you don't need thousands of dollars to create a beautiful, private outdoor sanctuary. With creativity and some weekend time, you can transform your exposed backyard into the private retreat you've always wanted. The best part? Unlike expensive fencing that you're stuck with forever, these solutions can be modified, updated, or completely changed whenever your needs or style preferences evolve. My neighbors still can't believe I created this entire privacy transformation for under $100. They keep asking for my contractor's business card. Which of these privacy hacks excited you most? Are you ready to tackle that bamboo placemat fence project? Or maybe the instant cable system for quick privacy? Drop a comment below and let me know which hack you're planning to try first. Share photos when you start your privacy transformation. I love seeing how these ideas work in different spaces. If this video saved you thousands on privacy solutions, smash that like button and subscribe to Daily Garden Fix. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly budget-friendly garden hacks. Next week, I'm sharing my complete Dollar Tree garden makeover series. 15 more incredible projects that create designer looks for pennies on the dollar. Thanks for joining me for another budget-friendly garden transformation. And here's to creating the private outdoor sanctuary you deserve without the designer price tag.